Hey, I'm Jen.
I'm Cora.
And this is
Coffee Connections.
So
We've been feeling really down lately, and we still have so much more work to do.
I'm really
I have
tired.
so much schoolwork more to do. For some reason they're giving us homework while we're at home.
And the puppy is getting the better of me for sure. So we're gonna skip it today, but we just wanted to let you know we're skipping it.
Okay, so positivity. Bye.
April Fools! Would we leave you hanging like that? Maybe, but not yet. Not yet at all. We are here to connect with you while you are homebound and bring a little dose of positivity into your day.
Okay, and for the theme today, drumroll please. Candy.
Candy?
Yep, candy.
Ooh, okay.
Candy. Yeah, you had your candy shop resource, so I just followed on that.
We both love candy. Cool.
All right,
So
speaking of candy,
do
I
we
brought
get to-
some sour candy.
Oh, I love sour candy. Can we eat it while we're doing this?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
You open it.
What? What was that? I thought it was going to be really candy.
No, it's the snake thing.
Ugh. Let me guess. You got that at 5 and below.
Yep. All right, our real theme for today is
April Fools.
pranks. And mine are April Fool's pranks on your parents. Watch out, because I have 8 more ideas in my pocket that I'm ready.
Okay, well, we don't want it to be a
Just
long
you.
one. Okay. So, am I supposed to cover my ears or leave the room? Cora already got me today.
Twice. This is the 3rd time.
So, I'm going to squeeze in a gratitude. I am so happy and grateful that our family has a great sense of humor.
I am so happy and grateful that I haven't been pranked yet.
You haven't?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'm going to take one of these tips that you're going to give.
No, you're going to leave the room.
Oh, I am?
Yes.
Okay, so what's...
You shall have to, or else you will know how to hack it into mine.
All right, well...
And I shall leave the room. Is yours for kids?
Well, do you want to start with the one you already did for me today and the one I already did for Daddy?
Yes. Okay, so I have these two little candies that make your mouth blue. And I left a note on the counter saying it was vitamin C. in a messy cursive writing, because that's my dad's writing. He doesn't do cursive, but never mind.
I could totally tell it was your writing, but she tried to play it off like it was her dad giving me some vitamins.
Yeah, and I did, and then I said, fine, you ruined my prank. I was going to say it was vitamin C, but then it's actually just candy. And so she's like, oh, I'll have it then. And her whole mouth is blue.
So I didn't know that was going to happen at all.
Nope.
No. So we'll...
She thought it would taste like poo or something. Way worse.
And then the one I did for her dad was... I went out to the store super early at this small neighborhood store that we go to, Cream of the Crop, because he wanted to get some egg whites, and we didn't have any egg whites. So when I came back, he was in his office, and so I put a hole in the egg whites and drained it into into a Ziploc bag, and I filled it with water. Problem was, I was going to fill it with milk, but problem was is he was coming in as I was doing this. So I had to just kind of do it in the bathroom, and when I came back...
He was like, okay, oh, thanks for the milk whites, and left. But when he got to it, he noticed there was a hole in it.
And he freaked out.
And he freaked out, and he shook it to see if there was anything in it.
No, he was shaking it before he was going to use it.
Oh.
And then he felt that it was lighter and water was spraying everywhere, and he thought that I had gotten him a bad batch or something and that he was going to be sick. And so I texted back, April Fools!
So that was my mom's to my dad's and me to hers. I've done some more, especially this one. And so, yeah.
So you want me to leave the room or something?
Yes. Please.
How am I going to know when it's time to come back?
I'll call you in. Parents, please give your phone, computer, or any other device that you're watching to your kids and don't watch. This is not for parents to see. Okay, so I'm on my mom's computer and it is called distractify.com. That is once again distractify.com. distractify.com. And so I searched this up, how to prank your parents. distractify.com. Enter, and it's 10 pranks to pull on your parents without getting in trouble. So one of them is the colored water prank. Make your parents fret about the water quality with this harmless prank. Use a cotton swab to wipe gel food coloring around the rim of the faucet spout right where the water comes out, and then watch and wait for them to freak out as they fill up their glass. Or wash your hands. Make your parents, balloon prank. This one's pretty delightful, actually. Use painter's tape to attach several wide pieces of plastic wrap across your parents' bedroom door, and fill the pocket it creates with inflated balloons. When your mom and dad opens their door in the morning, a huge balloon explosion will fall on them. The battery prank. This one is semi-risky due to the importance of streaming devices during this quarantine, but give it a try anyway. Take the batteries out of every remote in the house and make it impossible to change the channel. The photo replacement prank. This one, a girl's brother has been replacing family photos with pictures of Steve's Buscemi, and the mom hasn't even noticed. This classic TikTok prank, and parents never seem to notice. Replace family photos with pictures of complete strangers. Get creative and use celebrities, animals, act. See how long it takes for your parents to finally notice. The cracked screen prank. If you have a smartphone or tablet, you can really get your parents fooled by pretending your screen has been cracked. You can download images or even find online apps that'll make your screen appear like it's broken or shattered. Your parents will totally be relieved when you scream April Fools. The toilet is smoking prank. The 8-year-old daughter just yelled, "Oh no, the toilet is smoking." My wife and I ran to the bathroom to find this. It's just day 4 of homeschool. And it's this toilet. The top lid is open with a toilet paper roll coming out of its mouth, out of the thing. And so there's 2 toilet rolls on top of it, making it look like eyes. And there's a head on top of it, and it looks like he's smoking a cigarette. And it's just day 4 of homeschool for them. So it says right here, take a pair of toilet paper rolls and put them on top of the lid to make eyes. Then you take an empty cardboard roll. It can just be from paper towel, toilet paper, paper towels, and stick it between the lid and seat. Finally, you scream out, "The toilet is smoking!" You wait for your parents to inevitably come running in a panic. The water's coming out of the bathroom prank. This is again from TikTok. My dad is sick of me. He looks so worried. That's the thing on the video. Similar to the toilet smoking prank, this one is another play on words prank. Grab some bottles of water and line them up so they are in a line coming out of the bathroom. Then yell, "Water's coming out of the bathroom." Your mom and dad will be annoyed but happy when they see you are just joking. The fake text message prank. This one's okay. Send your parents a fake text message about something scandalous and then claim you meant to send it to someone else. For example, "I can get you 2 grams for $40. Wait a minute," and then send, "Sorry, my bad, that message was sent for someone else." The reaction should be good. The autocorrect prank. This one is my favorite out of all of them. Before we filmed this, I was trying to do it on my mom, but yeah, bad luck. She got her phone in the end. She didn't realize what I was doing though. It's good. To keep going with technology, phone pranks for the moment. Get your hands on your mom or dad's phone and change the autocorrect settings. Change a word like no or yes. You can make it into something totally ridiculous. They will be completely confused. So I tried this. Go to settings and then scroll up. And if it's not there, just swipe up anyways. And a search bar will appear. Search autocorrect as AUTO space CORRECT, and then you'll see, and then you'll click autocorrect, and then you'll go to keypad autocorrect, and it'll take you to autocorrect, and it will say typing replacement, and or something like that. I think it's typing replacement, and then you can go there and you can click the plus, and you can type in the phrase yes. And you can make it change to, can I get some fries with that? Or something crazy. This is my favorite one. And then the lost phone prank. There's a whole video of just people doing this. This one's hilarious practical joke and make your parents laugh by the end. Call their cell phone with your cell phone and tell them that you lost their phone. They'll be so mad at you for being irresponsible until you make them realize that you're obviously kidding because you're calling them on the phone. So that is it. I must delete this page for the evidence and go to history. Hopefully she doesn't find out history, but there we go. That is my secret kid resources. Ta-da. All right, Mom, you can come back in. But the phone trick, the autocorrect trick is completely hilarious. It'll be funny. They won't know how to fix it until you finally confront them. Who knows? Maybe you can trade some money or apps for it. Okay. Mom, ready?
Okay, I'm coming.
She's coming. We'll see. Let's see if I can go to settings on here. No, don't come. Okay. Yep, you're fine.
Are we still taping?
Yep.
Okay. She gonna get me with some doozies?
Yep.
All right. She had a whole bunch, but I just have one. And it's 20 hilarious April Fool's Day pranks and practical jokes for couples. Now, this is adult only for the whole list. However, I have a...
So should I leave? Because it's
No.
adult related?
No, it's...
For adults.
The list has adult content on it, but the one that I'm going to give is totally fine and kid-friendly. And it is paint your spouse's soap bar with clear nail polish. So this is an interesting one. The trick here is if you paint the soap that's in the shower or in the bathroom, if you paint it with nail polish, it won't suds up. So just make sure you have a replacement on hand when your partner eventually calls you in to fix it. Should we try it? Okay. That's it.
Wait. Mix Reese's Pieces, M&Ms.
Okay, speak louder into the thing.
Mix Reese's Pieces, M&Ms, and Skittles into a candy dish together. Enjoy and
the ensuing
pandemonium when he takes a big handful.
Skittles with M&Ms and Reese's. But any candy connoisseur would be able to tell it right away by the colors. Anyway,
they're all the same.
All right, moving right along. What else are we doing today, Cora?
A recipe.
All right, we ready to wrap it up?
Yep.
Okay, so I was going to look for some recipes, and I found a pretty good salmon recipe.
Oh, I thought we were doing prank recipes, but okay.
I don't have a prank recipe. So I found this really good salmon recipe from Taste of Home, and it's seared salmon with strawberry basil relish. It looks fantastic. And then I started looking at for salmon leads, and I totally stumbled upon this really cool resource. Has anybody ever been to Pike Place Market in Seattle? Anybody? It's that place. Oh gosh, it's been, I don't know the full history of it, but it's been around forever. And that's where the fish salesmen are throwing the fish to the customers, no, or back and forth to the people. But there's lots of fish throwing going on, and it's quite a spectacle, and it's really fun. They deliver. So you can buy fish, fresh salmon, smoked salmon, wild halibut, shellfish, shrimp, crab. You can buy all this from the website, and then they will ship it to you. Now, for us, this would be a big splurge because the shipment is rather expensive, as you could imagine, for next day delivery. But wow, what a treat. If you're looking for some fresh fish or shellfish or crab, wow, check it out. freshseafood.com, and they also have a recipe section of this website, and this looks fantastic also. Where was the one that sounded so good to me? Broiled sea bass with black garlic sauce, mango cucumber shrimp stack, wild salmon and winter root vegetables in, I'm assuming, miso. Anyway, they've got tons and tons of fish recipes, including the perfect crab cake, the best salmon marinade recipe. Anyway, this got me so hungry for salmon and for crab.
Sushi.
So maybe I'll get it. Maybe I'll get it for my birthday splurge. Not till the end of May. All right. Anything else?
No. No.
Well, we want to make sure that you find something to be grateful for today. Something, even if you're not going to be pranking a family member, maybe you can find some jokes or something to laugh at, or watch a comedy on however you watch or stream your flicks these days, and just find something to laugh at. Cool? All right. Until tomorrow. April Fools.
Bye.